Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Naive Bayes is a probabilistic machine learning algorithm that is widely used for classification tasks. It is based on Bayes' theorem and assumes independence between features. In this tutorial, we will implement a simple naive Bayes classifier in Python using a fictional dataset. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download and install Python from python.org. Additionally, we'll be using the scikit-learn library, so you may need to install it using. The naive Bayes classifier is based on Bayes' theorem, which calculates the probability of a hypothesis given the observed evidence. For a classification problem, the hypothesis is the class label, and the evidence is the set of features. The naive assumption in naive Bayes is that the features are conditionally independent given the class label. This simplifies the calculations and makes the algorithm computationally efficient. We start by importing the necessary libraries: train_test_split for splitting the dataset, CountVectorizer for converting text data into a bag of words model, MultinomialNB for the naive Bayes classifier, and metrics for evaluating the model. We define a sample dataset with text documents and corresponding class labels. The dataset is split into features, X, and labels, Y. We use CountVectorizer to convert the text data into a bag of words model, representing the features. The dataset is split into training and testing sets. We create an instance of the MultinomialNB classifier and train it using the training set. Predictions are made on the test set, and the accuracy of the model is evaluated. Finally, we demonstrate how to make predictions on new documents using the trained classifier. This example is based on text classification, but naive Bayes can be applied to various types of data with appropriate modifications to the feature extraction step. ChatGPT.